Hello everyone, welcome to form filling video of CPCL recruitment 2022. So yesterday only I uploaded the notification video of CPCL. So first please watch that video so that you will get idea whether you are eligible for CPCL or not. The link is given in the comment section. So position is executive, that is for engineer. Salary will be 17 lakh CTC and form last date is 21st of September. So now we will start our video. So let's start our video with first point, that is what documents are required to upload or to carry with you while filling the form. So first SSC mark sheet is required, 12th or diploma mark sheet is required, and bachelor's or master's certificate is required. Then photo, okay, which should be not older than 3 months, and signature should be required in black ink on white paper. So when you will click on the link which I am giving in the comment section, this page will get open. First we will register, so just click on the register now button. If you want to read, then you can read all the instructions, otherwise directly scroll down, click on here and then continue. Now on this screen we will select first for which position you want to apply. So if you watch our notification video, then you will get proper idea from that. So I will select suppose instrumentation, then your nationality, okay, then you need to enter your name and it should be as per your SSC mark sheet, okay, which is directly written here, so it's good. So please follow these instructions. Then select your gender, then select your religion, then if you are ex-serviceman then select yes, otherwise you can select no also, okay. Then you need to select your category. General, OBC is SC, ST and EWS. Okay, so whatever category you want, you can select here. Then if you are Jammu and Kashmir domicile, then you need to select here yes button, otherwise no. Then if you are PWD candidate, then you need to select yes button. If you select yes button, then you will get about entering your category or selecting your category. So from this drop down, you can just select your category. For this information also, you can check our notification video. Okay, if you are not PWD student, then simply click on no button. Now from this calendar, you need to just select your date of birth and automatically they will calculate your age. For example, you can see here automatically they calculate the age, okay, based on this, so that from here only you will get proper idea that whether you are eligible as per age limit criteria or not. Then you need to enter your email ID, confirm the same, and then enter your mobile number and click on send OTP. Within 20 seconds you will get your OTP on mobile number, okay, and then here you need to enter your OTP. Enter the captcha and click on submit button. Now whatever user ID and password you got, okay, just change the password automatically, and now we will start our login from here. So enter your user ID and enter here your change password. Again, if you want, you can read all the instructions, otherwise directly scroll down, okay, just click on this checkbox and click on continue button. Okay, now you can see here that already whatever information we already filled in register window, okay, that information you can't change now, it is locked. Okay, so directly scroll down. Here you need to enter your father's name, okay, as per SSC mark sheet, again mother's name as per SSC mark sheet, then select your marital status, okay, then select your mother tongue, whatever mother tongue you have, you can select that, then select your domicile. Then from this one you need to just select one driving license. Suppose I select PAN card, then you need to give your number here, okay. Suppose I give passport, again you need to give number, driving license also, voter ID also, and any government ID also, you need to enter your number compulsory, okay, and it is mandatory. Then your permanent address you will enter here, okay, and if it is same as your permanent, means in correspondence, then just click on this button, so automatically all this information will come here, okay. Now here you will select your exam center cities. So 3 preference we will give. So first preference, okay, out of this you will select any one. Then second, definitely if you select Chennai in one, then you can't select that in 2, okay, and third one. So these are the 3 centers you will give according to your location, according to your preference. Okay, now next will be academic detail filling. So first you need to select this button, that is very important, as in notification video what I told you that 60% aggregate mark you should have in your BE BTech, okay, then only you are eligible, otherwise not. And for SST 55% aggregate you should have, okay. Then for 10th and SSC, now we will start filling. So you need to select board from here. So Tamil Nadu State Board, CBSE, ICSE, other board, okay. If any other state board you have, then click on other and just enter here your state board, okay. Then month and year of passing, so this you will select from this drop down, okay, like this. Then percentage of marks, so you need to enter your percentage of marks here. Have you completed HSC class or diploma? So those who are diploma candidate, you will select diploma, and those who are 12th candidate, you will select 12th here, okay. And those some candidates are there, those who already completed your 12 also and diploma also before BTech, then you do select this also, okay. So I click on only diploma. Then in diploma, what was your branch or specialization? That is for suppose instrumentation like that. So just enter here. Then period of study from, so when you join your diploma, okay, that date or year you need to enter here. Then what is your passing? So that passing you will enter here. Okay, like this. Then period of study 2. Okay, duration of study, number of years 2. So for diploma we want 3 years. Okay, like this. Then name of the institute. So whatever college where you study diploma, okay, just enter the name of the college here. And whatever percentage of marks you got in diploma, that you need to enter here. Similarly, for undergraduation, that is your BE Tech, okay, just select your branch here. Now I selected instrumentation, that's why it is only showing me electronics instrumentation INC, okay. So out of this, suppose I am selecting instrumentation. Then again, period of study from period of study to, then duration, automatically it will calculate name of the institute, okay, that is your college name. Registration number, here you need to enter your roll number or registration number, okay, you will get this thing from your mastery. Then month and passing year of your degree and percentage of marks, okay. Similarly, if you complete MEM Tech, then you need to enter all the details regarding your MEM Tech. Okay, so on next screen, now we will select work experience. So if you have work experience, then select yes button. Otherwise, you can select no also, because this vacancy is for fresher. But if you have work experience, definitely you will get advantage in interview. So that's why I will recommend you to select yes button if you have any. So now here you need to enter your organization, previous organization, what was your position, okay, from to, and total period you need to enter. And if you have other experience in other organization also, you can. Okay, then click on save and continue. Okay, now it's time to upload your photograph. So just click on here, choose file, select your photo and click on upload button. Okay, and whatever guidelines are there, you can just see here. Try to upload recent one only. Okay, they given here, not older than 6 months, but still if you have recent one, then you can upload that. Okay, then similarly you will upload your signature also. Click on upload button, so you can see here your signature, and then click on save and continue. Okay, now as I selected community SC, so I need to upload community certificate, that is SC certificate, okay, as per central government. So similarly for OBC and ST also, and for EWS also, you will require this certificate. Then your SSC certificate you will upload, then your diploma certificate you will upload, and your UG degree certificate, that is degree certificate only you will upload. Okay, only certificate you will upload, no mark sheet are required. Whenever you will click on upload button, then they will ask you that yes, I confirm that the file selected by me is correct. Okay, so this thing you will correcting here. Okay, after that you can see the preview of your application. If you want, you can take printout of application here. Okay, then just scroll down and click on I accept all the above declaration. Please make sure all the details whatever you enter in your application form will be correct or not. Okay, that is most important thing. Then click on proceed to payment button. Okay, as for SC category there is no fee, so definitely for general OBC and EWS you need to pay fee, and you can pay your fee via net banking, your UPI. Okay, all the options are there, no need to worry. And when you will done with paying fees, then you will get this screen where you can download your application form from here also. Okay, this is a link, just click on here and you can just download your application form. So yeah, that's it about CPCL recruitment form filling video. Now next will be our strategy video, and in that I will discuss that how you can crack this exam and how you can become executive in CPCL recruitment 2022. If you have any query, any doubt, any single and short doubt, all the doubts are welcome. Okay, just comment down below, I will definitely help you in that. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, and just share this video to all the aspirants, those who are preparing for various PSUs and computer exams, especially engineers. And don't forget to like the video. All the best.